Today we're going to talk about P1.1, but in specific areas related to the types of data and providing notice related to the types of data that is collected by organizations. Organizations are required by certain regulations to disclose to the data subject the sort of data that they're collecting, the types of data they're collecting, and the categories of data that they are collecting. The data subject must be informed and understand the sort of consent that they're providing to the organization related to how their data is being used, how it's being processed, how it's being stored, and how it's being retained. Data subjects can request from an organization on how their data has been used, the forms of how the data is being stored, and how the data has been retained. Organizations, if they organize the data by the type of data they have collected, will have a better understanding of how that data is being used and can provide proper notice to a data subject related to how they use the data for business purposes. If you'd like to get more information on how to document the types of data related to privacy notices required to be provided to a data subject, please contact a privacy expert today.